Hi, my name is Ben with Safe Drive Solutions, and this is the Safe Drive Solutions vlog. Today we're going to talk about dashcam customer service. So you bought a dashcam, you plug it in, but you have no idea how to work it. What do you do next? Call a friend, contact the seller, maybe you contact the manufacturer looking for help. Some people might even just ask to return the item due to frustration. No matter who you contact, your dashcam customer service is going to be different. Back in 2007, I was involved in a car accident. My 2005 Chevrolet Cobalt was hit by a Ford Freestar. Instantly, all the airbags deployed. My seatbelt tightened. I was in shock that this car hit me at 60 kilometers an hour. Getting out of the car, I instantly checked on the other driver, and both of us were okay. After all, it was winter conditions and mistakes happen. Police showed up, towed our cars away. I had no vehicle. I started thinking, how was I going to get to work tomorrow? Never mind, how will I get home today? I guess I better call the insurance company and see what happens. So I get to work, call my insurance company, having zero expectations. Firstly, they asked for my policy number. Secondly, they asked me if I was all right. Lastly, do I need a rental car? While talking on the phone, I received an email for a car rental service. I assumed I would have to call and arrange everything. Not even 5 minutes later, I received a call from National Car. They tell me they are on their way to deliver my car. I was floored. I was like, the insurance company took care of me? Who would have thought? In short, this happened in a span of 10 minutes. A lot of experiences aren't always positive. So, since the beginning of COVID, customer experience has dropped. Many companies have transitioned to e-commerce and offering very little, if any, customer support, cutting their sales and support staff. Speaking from experience, I had ordered some stickers for Safe Drive Solutions. It took me 3 times over email for the company to get it close to right. They would not call me. Repeatedly, they told me there was no phone number to call, would not even book a video call to discuss. With all this technology available, there was no effort on their part to correct this efficiently. Instead, they repeatedly got it wrong over and over and over again, costing their company hundreds of dollars. In the end, they refunded my money and let me keep the stickers that still weren't done properly. Fortunately, just wasn't the kind of experience that I was hoping for. And there's plenty of times, where I'm getting calls from other people who have bought dash cameras from other places where they won't help them, they won't service them, but yet they bought it from them. These are all negative experiences. For me, I want to support a place that's going to give me a positive experience, going to take care of me. So, everyone has a story of a bad experience, whether it be buying a car, house, food, new tech, or life in general. Think about what you expect for dashcam customer service. When we launched this company, we want to make it easy. If you want to call us, pick up the phone and call. If we are busy, we will call you back. Or feel free to text us at the same phone number listed on the website. You can also reach us by email. Read our reviews. See what our clients are saying. Our goal is to make it a positive experience. However, we rely on your feedback to continuously improve. Right? Our core values of our company is efficiency, integrity, urgency, authenticity, and continuous improvement. Right? So we want to continuously improve, and we're going to do that from learning from our customers. We're continuously finding new ways to increase our customer service, continually finding new ways to make it better, and that's what we want to do. And so we're always open to listening to our clients. And what's nice is currently right now, we talk directly to all of our clients one-on-one. So anyways, at the end of the day, you want a positive experience? Spend your money where people are giving you customer service. Because that's, actions are going to speak very, I want to say louder than words, but, at the end of the day, if you're supporting a place that's just an order taker, if that's the only place you can get it, I totally understand. the end of the day, you want to try and support someone who is going to give you service, who is going to take care of you. And I mean, and that's what we're trying to do here at Safe Drive Solutions. We're just a small business right now. It's a one-man operation, and we're continuously growing, and we want to continue hiring more people, continue making it more positive. So anyways, anyone has any feedback? We're always looking for feedback. We're always looking to grow. We're always looking to get better and continue to grow our positive customer service.